Hello and welcome back to Just One Question with Neelakshi Sengupta. We have with us once again the super talented architect and theatre actor Anubhav Fatehpuria. Hey Anubhav, you are an artist who deals with space in both your professions. How different is space in architecture versus space on the stage? For you at least.
That's a very tough question for me because even while I'm designing in architecture and when I'm performing on stage, it's so difficult for me to look at it as two separate entities divorced from each other. Somewhere something starts there are so many crossovers and something starts flowing from this side to there, that side, and from that side to here. So many times when I'm designing something on paper, which is an architectural project, and I try to sort of put in an element, or I start wondering, I step back and I look at it, where did that kind of a design come from? And I realize that that's because of the elements in the theatre that we look at, maybe the light that we use in the theatre, the surprise element that we use in the theatre. I find it sort of finding space in my architectural designs. Similarly, when there are times when I'm in the rehearsal space, or when I'm sort of performing on stage or watching something on stage. But definitely when I'm on stage as an actor, I just, there are times when I start looking at this grid. There is this ever present at the back of my mind, this entire grid structure which is there, and I feel like one is moving from this point to that point. So it's very graph like, and it's very sort of architectural in my mind, whether it be the actor's relation to the space, actor's relation to the set, to the prop, to each other, to another co-actor, and that co-actor to another third co-actor. And so there is this entire absolute a shifting grid, which I sometimes sort of feel that I'm in, and it's greatly exciting.
This is very interesting, Anubhav. Tell us a little more about your architectural work, please. Is there a style that one needs to understand while learning and practicing architecture?
So, I didn't study any specific style. It's the regular architecture which is taught in architectural colleges, where they teach you all the styles and they cover everything almost. And then I had the great good fortune of doing my internship with architect B.V. Doshi, Balkrishna Doshi in Ahmedabad, who is an absolute institution in himself. And so I completely believe, I came out with an absolute belief in the fact that if you're practicing architecture today, it has to be about today. It also has to be about the entire, history and the people and, their ways of living and the crafts and everything which is local at a macro level and at a micro level, which is the site where you're building, the coordinates, the environment, the weather. So it's more like responding to all of that. It's more like really listening to what the site has to say to you, and it speaks to you. I think if you're there, if you're listening to it, it's really telling you that this is what it should be. And so I don't think I would like to call my work of any particular style. I think it's I do not again believe in over decorating anything. So I believe that it should just be what it is and what is required and what it needs to be. That itself, throws up a design. Being minimal is also a design, I feel. So yeah. In my work, me and my associate, we do really we at least try to respond to the weather, to the local conditions, to the coordinates, to the local crafts, if any, and if that can be incorporated in any way into the design. And yeah, just keeping it very, very need based.
And the theatre stage also responds to an artist similarly.
Possibly, maybe, it's just like a split second, I think split of a split second at times. Yeah, I think a lot of actors may be feeling that while in performance or in the rehearsal room.
I understand both architecture and theatre drives you equally. But what is it about the theatre that pushes you more? excites you more, so that you put in those extra hours day after day, in spite of maybe having a very busy, stressful day job?
Everything excites me. Everything about the theatre excites me. Just the way a theatre smells, the way a green room smells, it excites me. Everything about the theatre excites me. Starting from I love doing all of it. I really enjoy doing production work, backstage, help people design posters, stand out there and sell tickets. All of it. I'm okay to do all of it. I love it.
This is amazing, Anubha. I love the passion you have for both your professions, and I'm inspired. I'm sure so will be our listeners. Thank you for this. We will be back with you for more very soon. This is Neelakshi Sengupta, and you have been listening to Just One Question. Hope you're enjoying this experience. Thank you once again for listening in.